Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to permanently stop your aftermarket floor mats from sliding. You know, there is nothing worse when it comes to floor mats when they slide. They slide, and as you can see, dirt gets there anyways. So it's like why can't someone come up with an idea or some kind of design to prevent that from happening? Well, the WeatherTech hasn't come up with anything really that I could find it useful. So I got tired, of dealing with this and trying to figure out how do I stop from sliding, especially the passenger, the rear. You know what I mean? It's like it becomes a headache. So I tried gluing plastic to the sides here, and it came off, so I can attach it. I tried Velcro, as you can see right there, Velcro. That didn't work. You see those brass grommets? Well, that's how it works. I'm gonna show you how to install them. Very easy with a basic tool. This is cheap, inexpensive, and you'll be set, and you'll never have to deal with your floor mats sliding again. So let me show you how easy to install those grommets, and it can work probably pretty much with any aftermarket floor mats. So this is the kit that I'm using. This is a very cheap kit. You can buy any size. I'm using a 1/4 inch, those grommets, but you can use anything you like, any size you want, you know what I mean. I'll post a link where you can buy. This kit comes with everything you need. It comes with a piece of wood. I'll show you what it's for, a hole puncher, a tool to set this up, to crimp it, and the only thing you need, a hammer, and I will show you a plain regular hammer, and I'll post a link. This is a Stanley, and if you want it, I'll post a link where you can buy it online, very cheap actually too. So as you can see already, I have holes in this already, 2 holes, and I'm using only 2 of them. You can make as many as you want, it's your personal choice. I'll make another hole on this edge for you guys to see it, how it works. I'm not gonna use this wood that comes with it because I have my own piece of 2x4 anything. So this is how it works. Take your floor mat, WeatherTech, whatever the brand is. You don't want to punch the hole here. Let me show you on the side, not here. You don't want to make a hole here because it will leak. If you want to make a hole, make a hole on the side. So, and the lip itself, you can make it here if you want to. It's your personal choice. So let me show you how easy it is to work with this. You take the hole puncher where you want to put a hole. Make sure you're using the correct side, the one that cuts it, and this is the dull side, this is the sharp side. Put it there. That easy. See right there? Then go through, then just hit it a couple more times until it pretty much comes out. So that's it. The hole is there. Let me zoom in so for you guys to see. So right there is the hole. So next thing, what I'm going to do is you take this piece, and the instructions on this package are self-explanatory. You set it, you put that thing, you slide it over, then you take one of those things, it's like a washer, and you slide it over, put it over top of it. And one permanent solution to this problem Right there is the hole from this direction, and right there is the hole from this direction. A nice clean grommet. You can use shoelace, wire, soft wire, whatever you want to use, whatever works for you to attach it. I'll show you what I'm using. So now I'm going to show you how to install. So there you go. You can see I'm using electrical wire, attaching it to right where car seat is being bolted to. And this is my setup, you know. Since I have an extra hole there, I could tie it there separately. But this isn't good enough for me. As you can see, the floor mat not going anywhere now. It's a permanent solution. A permanent solution that actually works. And I'm going to show you how I did in the back, since this is a Toyota Sequoia, and it works with any cars. So this is the back, third row. You see that plastic right there? That's an old piece that's left that I glued, but it came off. Trying to glue it to the floor mat, to the WeatherTech floor mat. It just would not, using the best glue you can find, and it came off. You know, I'm using the rope. I probably should tie it up there too, because it's ripping out from the, as you can see, it's created a little hole. So you want to do it, make sure if you do it in multiple application points, so it doesn't rip the floor mat. But if it does rips these holes, I can put another one, you know. Another thing to keep in mind, that by making those holes, you might void the warranty on the floor mats. I'm not sure, but to me, I'd rather have holes with a grommet so I can attach it to something so it doesn't slide, and even if I do lose the warranty, then having with the warranty and constantly sliding and dirt being on the floor. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button, click the bell, and if you have questions, ask me, and good luck. Thank you.